Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great Food and another pizza build. So if you're familiar with these, you know that we're not going to be showing you how to make the pizza sauce or the dough. Link's going to be below for that and going to pop up at the end. We're just going to do the build. Let's get our dough ready. Okay, so you saw me just get that together very quickly. So if you use my recipe that is below in the link and at the end it will pop up, you're going to get two 12 inches like this. Let's get moving. So we're going to get some sauce on there. 1, 2, 3 tablespoons. I find enough for this size. And this one I've put some fresh basil in. If you don't have fresh basil, you can just put some dried oregano or oregano, whatever you call that. Spread it out with the back of the spoon. Now get your oven on full blast, high heat. Let's grab some cheese. I'm using this block mozzarella, which we're going to pop on. If you wanted some grated stuff, would be good. I sometimes use that, but today I've got this block stuff that I've sliced up. Then just let me grab some ingredients. Here I've got some cooked spinach. I just washed that and gave it a little steam up or boiled it up in some tiny amount of water. Cooled it down and then I just chopped it up a little bit. Let's go for our tuna. I've got a canned tuna here. Sliced or thinly sliced red onion. I like that on there. Couple more bits, hold tight. Some chopped garlic, which I think is super on that, goes really well with the spinach. I've got some black olives here. I've taken the stones out of these. In fact, I haven't taken the stones out of these. That's a lie. I bought them with the stones taken out. These are a nice black calamata. You can slice them if you want. Get them, sliced up. I like them whole. A little bit of dried oregano on the top, and then that's going to go in my oven on full blast, full heat in your oven. 6 minutes. Delicious. Alright, and there you go. That was 6 minutes in my oven. Absolutely delicious. So if you want to know how to make the pizza sauce, it's going to pop up about now. If you want to know how to make the really simple, perfect every time pizza dough, also popping up about now. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.